What up, everybody? You know what's with the for Bromanga, Mr. O. Reaction because yeah, we are back. Back, we are putting on the man, Yamanta Bunji. Gamanda trying to go, yeah, man. Don't know my debas in the list, huh? Let the curries and just debat and Gamanda go for the wapa, wapa, wopengane, hey, man, wapa, eh? Hey, dico forse dem sono utilizzare io gabos. Gabos. Yeah, man, so we are back again with another reaction. Oh, the Road Kid Venda track with the Wopa remix, freestyle remix, man. And the guys are correct. Road Kid Venda remix is a WhatsApp piano because I don't really fuck with piano. Like, guys, I don't really like. I'm not a piano cat. Atitobafene kwenye piano nditobana nyimbo zinazinanga. So Wopa is one of the songs that I love. I see me happy. I also love that song, bro. And yeah, so man, I don't have like any more to add with that. Let's just get rid of Kid Venda. I think for it, do avocado kid uko kwa mini. Yeah. Chatamra Kandish. That was the song. Oh. Okay, so there's this guy called Mrepa, Send Mrepa, the Chance Man. He was like Tambra Kandi. So what do you know Tambra Kandi? Does go pizza? Dovanda mujimisa, dovanda mujimisa, wangwana, dovanda mutabisa, dovanda mujimisa, dovanda mutabisa. Like, hey, I made their wet, you know, mujimisa, you know. Not me. Hey, explicit now. I loved that, and I thought maybe we were saying like wopa wopa wop. I thought maybe it was gonna like repeat what he was saying in the main track, but it was like, hey, come on, but I love that. Oh, no mugunyeza bikondo popa. Hey. Don't forget come see like Marawa, Robert Marawa, something like that. But yeah, man, it's not a punchline like that, or maybe a way to play something here. Oh, bro, that like The dung dung. Ah, come on, bro. I wish I could dance, bro.
That's such a con, I got to dumb gun, and oh hot, I got to the fuck round. Nobody could move a go arm. Unga kufunya with the badab. Ora ni kunni de move hag. Kana de tu na yende shai. It is sugar man run pop. Baba baba go to stop. Mukunye te biko no pop. Papa ni sa to go fast. Video bono to record. But I don't know what you do. Bariki man.
DRKV.
Bariki man.
DRKV.
Bariki man.
DRKV. DRKV. Hey, Nidos. DRKV. Hey. Yeah, man, that was RKV, Rootkid Venda, Whopper Freestyle Remix, Venda version, and the problem, Mr. Objects, and now tomato power, and tomato the pinna, one of us, the pinna of hope. So, yeah, man, and the problem, and out.